APIs are everywhere, and they're more than just tech jargon. Every time you pay through UPI or check the weather, you're using an API. But for IT auditors and security architects, APIs can be a double edged sword. Let's dive into what makes APIs so crucial. An API is like a contract between two systems, defining how they communicate. Think of it as a restaurant menu. You order but don't see the kitchen. APIs can be REST, SOAP, GraphQL, or gRPC, and they are essential for integration. They're the backbone of our digital world, connecting apps and services seamlessly. For auditors, APIs raise important questions about control and compliance. Who can access the API? Is authentication strong enough? Are logs complete and tamper proof? For security architects, APIs can expand the attack surface. Improper authorization and data exposure are real risks. That's why the OWASP API Security Top 10 is so important. APIs are connectors, but they can also multiply risks. In banking, APIs power UPI and open banking, but weak ones can expose data. In healthcare, they connect systems, risking HIPAA violations if not secure. Cloud services expose APIs for automation, but misconfigurations can lead to breaches. E-commerce relies on APIs for payments, but insecure integrations can lead to fraud. Even simple logins like login with Google are API calls, and they need to be secure. So, what are the key takeaways? APIs are the nervous system of modern IT, so governance is key. For auditors, focus on access controls and monitoring. For architects, design with zero trust and strong authentication in mind. APIs drive innovation, but they also come with responsibility. The more connected we are, the more careful we need to be. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more insights. Next time, we'll explore the OWASP API Security Top 10 with real world examples.